Hey guys, so I don't know how much I'm in this video because I can't see myself. I don't have my tripod with me and I'm out in the open, as you can see, and I'm just making a quick video. I promised last week that I'm gonna update you guys on a lot of things and I'm gonna bring many videos to you, and here I am with videos. Yeah. Right now I'm doing something very basic. You won't be able to see my face because I'm holding the camera because I'm outside. So let's get started. Am I in it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then that's fine. So here what I'm about to show you is this little community right here. This is the city where I live at, or this is just 10 minutes from where I live, and these are pretty much subsidized home in the US, and here they are. I mean, they look pretty nice, but nothing impressive, nothing super impressive, you know. It's just the same like every other home that you see, right? Look at this one. Let's see if I can zoom it and bring it here, right here. And to me, I feel like, you know, these are small homes. All you see is the cardboard or whatever they call it, and I don't understand how it's taking us so long to start bringing stuff like that, you know, start building stuff like that at our home. Look at their basketball. Look at it. So this is a basketball court where the kids can come play. It's nothing major, nothing impressive, and those are some of the videos that I promised to bring to you. And look at this bench. I don't know how old it is, but you can see. I can't focus too well, but I promise I will post pictures so that you can see. It's so old, and I mean, this is just made out of wood and a little metal, but you know, we have all these resources back home. Look at this. It's a tiny little bit basketball court, excuse me, for the kids to play, and I feel like, why can't we bring stuff like this to Haiti? You know, when are we gonna start bringing stuff like this? You can see nothing too impressive, right? Nothing. So that's it. It's very nice. It's very nice. This is the park behind with all the trees and all the greenery going on. But yeah, that's it. I just think, you know, we can bring these things back home. The area is clean. I don't see trash around. It will take time, but it's something that we can do. It's something that we can start, you know. Look at this. I don't find this to be all that impressive, all that magnificent, you know. So I hope you like this video, and bye guys. Talk to you later.